Hello everyone, today I am going to be showing you a tutorial on how to enter attendance after events and workshops. So the first thing you want to do after you sign into your Neoserra account is go to View and click the drop down menu and click on Training Events. Now that you're at Training Events, you're going to want to click on the appropriate training event that you want to enter information for. So I'm going to be using bookkeeping for small business as an example. Go ahead and click on that. So once you're on the event or workshop page, your primary goal is to 1, enter the attendance for the event, 2, generate an attendance report, and 3, generate a management report. So the first thing you have to do here is enter the attendance. So what you should have at this time is a physical copy of the sign-in sheet, and this is the paper that guests at the event use to sign in. So all the attendees that signed in, you want to change their status to attended. All the attendees that did not sign in or did not show up, you want to mark them as no-shows. All the attendees that had canceled previously to the event, you want to keep them as canceled. And another status that you could run into is waitlisted. But for this event, we don't have any waitlisted guests. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on Edit. And the only drop-down that we'll be changing in here is Status. Okay, so as you can see, I worked through some of these already, but I'm just going to continue where I left off. At the end of this, you're not going to want any of these statuses to show registered. You're going to either want them to show attended, no-show, canceled, or waitlisted. Okay, so as we see here, Tita Beetle, she was a no-show. Yashia, she had attended the event. Cynthia, she had attended the event. Evangelina, she was a no-show. Kim Roy Perez, attended. Kent, attended. Mahesh, attended. Chaka was attended. Candace was a no-show. And Ben Young was a no-show. Okay, so again, I'm getting all this information from the sign-in sheet that I have. Everyone that I have marked here as a no-show means that they did not sign in or did not attend the event. Everyone marked as attended mean that they did sign in and attended the event. So after you're done with that, you're going to want to click Done. As you can see here, there is no more registered left in status. There's only canceled, no-show, and attended, which is good. Another thing I'd like to mention is maybe somebody attended the event and they did not pre-register. So in this circumstance, it's really easy just to add a new contact to this list. All you have to do is click here, search their name. I'll just search a name right here. And Elena Bobo, she attended, and save. And it's as simple as that. And again, since that was just an example, it's also easy to delete a contact. So all you have to do is click the drop down right here and delete. And okay. And that's it. All right, so now that we have the correct attendance entered for the event, we're going to want to generate an attendance report. So in order to generate an attendance report, we click on Reports. For attendance, it's right above the attendance sheet. So make sure you click Reports and make sure that the format is Adobe PDF. The report is going to be attendance with presence, and you're going to want to click Save. So once you click Save, it will generate the PDF for you, and I'll show you what it looks like now. So this is all it looks like. You're going to want to make sure that you print this out. So you're going to want to print this report out and stick it in the folder. This is important and it's used for reporting purposes, so make sure that you store it in a safe place and do not lose it. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of that. The next report that we want to generate is the management report. You're going to want to click on Reports, but this is in the upper section. So once you click Reports, you want to make sure that this report title is Management Training Report, and also, again, make sure that the format is Adobe PDF, and go ahead and click Save. So that generated another PDF for me. I'll show you what the management report looks like. So this is it. Again, make sure that you print this out, store it in the event folder, and store it somewhere safe because this will be used later on for reporting purposes. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of that as well. So at the end of this, you can see again we have no-shows, we have 2 canceled, 14 attended, and there are none registered. So make sure that you do not have anyone registered. So really that is all that you need to do in order to track attendance and create the necessary reports. Thank you for watching the video.